So to demonstrate like how easy it is now to create tools with AI, I built a podcast coach. Basically what it does is uses AI to provide suggestions on how you can effectively improve your performance in podcasting. So if you see here, what it does is you put your podcast in and it will then spit out all this different AI generated analysis to provide you with actionable suggestions to improve your podcast. So here is an example. I've run it on this true crime podcast called Unraveled. And what it's pulled out basically, as you'd expect, this is a pessimistic podcast. And so here you can see on this radar that it's above average in fear, sadness, analytical because it's true crime. And then it's really low on positivity and joy. And so based on that, you get results and it matches you to a podcast personality and provides kind of suggestions on how you can improve as a podcaster. It also did things like it calls out like the different emotion call outs. And I also tried to build an algorithm which would match it to similar podcasts in my database. But again, that's something I worked on. It was quite hard to kind of get a proper match. As you can see here, these aren't full matches. But basically, I wanted to show you here just how easy it is to build kind of a dashboard and basically use the results of AI for something that's actually tangible and can drive change for people. One other thing that I think is really interesting is, so I really started building this about 1.5 years ago, but in that time, I've learned about all these other no-code tools, which would basically mean that all the coding that I did for this, so this has been built in Python, it's using AI APIs, but dragged in from Google Cloud, all that stuff, I could do this way easier today with the no-code tools that I have. So it just goes to show that, you've got to keep staying across all the tools and not kind of do that sunk cost and be committed too far one way when something new comes up that makes it easy. So if you do find this stuff interesting, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a comment or reach out to me directly, because I'm always happy to help and would really love to kind of see what other people's ideas are and potentially make them real.